How to fix sent items showing my name. Particularly, what we want to do is to change the the preview to be the recipient's name and show it in the Outlook sent folder or the Outlook sent items. So from here I am in the Outlook application, and when you go to the sent items right here, as you can see, all of the emails right here just displays the name of my email, which is video tutorial. And then you can see it right here. The name of my email is video tutorial. So this is not helpful because I want to see the specific email address or the specific name of the person that I sent the email to. So if it's like this, it will be like hard for me to navigate this send items folder because I need to open like the email itself first just to see the people that I sent this particular email. So to change that, you can simply go right here to the view tab right here and then click change view. From here in the change view, as you can see, the setting is set to compact. So that's why it displays like my name right here in the send items inbox. From here, what you need to select is the send to option right here. And then as you can see, when I click the send to option, as you can see, it now updated the recipient's name right here to be the first line. So in that way, I can see who the particular person that I sent this email to. So for example, let's say this test email, as you can see, it now displays how to explainer, which is the first recipient, and then the other recipient is how to explain, and then member test. So now we can identify our sent items or sent emails more easily because we can see like who is the person or who or what is the email address that we sent this particular email to. And then that is it. So again, just remember to click send to, because if you choose like the three options right here, it will just display your name as well, as you can see right here for the three options. So just choose this one, the send to option. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the send items folder showing your name and to change it into the recipient's name and reflect it in the Outlook sent items. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.